where we are right now. I probably sound a little bit excited. A little too excited just by driving around, but as you guys can see, we are in my 1989 Honda Civic, Project Bluelight, also known as. Back in 2009, when I was racing this car, when I finally hit my ultimate goal of running 10 seconds in the quarter mile. Obviously the car's been through a lot more than that, but I just decided to retire the car and pack it in. So that's been 10 years. 10 years ago I put this car away, and it sat in storage for that amount of time. It's 2019 now, and you know, at the beginning of the year I just realized, hey, my car turns 30 years old this year. So I just had to get it out. Get it out again. For its 30th birthday. And here we are. This is literally my first ride, my first drive of this car since getting it running a couple of days ago. It needed a bit of work. The brakes were seized, all four corners, so I just did a refresh on the calipers, all four corners, and that was pretty much the bulk of the job. Now there was also one other reason why I put this car away. The clutch is actually bad. Not to a point where I can't drive it, but it's bad and will not hold boost. It'll start slipping, and that's also another reason why I put it away. And I just never really got motivated to replacing the clutch, and it's still bad, but again, not to a point where I can't drive it. It is totally drivable, and just moderate amount of boost. Right now it's only at the wastegate spring at 13 pounds. Which probably takes it close to about 400 horse wheel horse. Oh, it's bright. Anyways, I'm just really happy that this car is on the road. A lot of people are probably going to be shocked and surprised that to see this car again. And yeah, I can't wait. Pretty excited to start driving around and see what people think. It's past a whole generation new car enthusiasts. Nobody will know this car, but now I just want to drive it, enjoy it. It's still fast AF, even at low boost settings, but the clutch is going to limit it back, and I don't know if I'll have time to do that at all this year. It's almost September, and I really have no time for it. I have no time for the car, but it actually makes me happy. Quite happy to boost is just at wastegate. It's got a 13-pound spring, which is plenty, way plenty for street. So, and at that pressure, the clutch will slip, but you still get a lot of fun before the clutch starts slipping. I've got the PWM hooked up to a toggle switch. So if I wanted more boost, I just have to turn that switch on, and it'll take me up to about, I think I've got it set to, right now, to about 17 pounds of boost. And I can control the boost manually with the PWM on a potential meter. So it's been well thought out, but there's no point in really upping the boost. Once again, it just will not hold the power. I'm okay with that. That sound is intoxicating. I don't think the cameras will pick it up, but big turbo sound, big turbo spooling, and the release of pressure. So intoxicating. Do I miss this car? I miss this car so much. Oh gosh. Okay. So I am remembering oh yeah. Yep. Clutch cannot hold. But as I drive this thing more and more, as much as I miss it, I do remember all the little things that I hated about it. This clutch for one is just not fun for the streets at all. And the suspension I've got on here, KW variant 3s, 700 and 600 pound springs, and oh man, they are awful for these roads. Just terrible. I have to watch out for every little bump, every little pothole on the road, only because I will feel it. I will feel everything. Oh gosh. Maybe I shouldn't have gone on this road. I just thought it'd be nice and quiet. No cars. And I was right. But dang, these roads are just terrible. Everything seems to be running well. Get some outside footage. Not anything good, but this road is pretty bad and sucky. So if it falls, we're just gonna have to go pick it up. Oh my gosh. how far I can get or how fast I can go with the camera on the outside. I'm getting some pretty decent footage, it seems. There's a vet.
Here we go.
Oh man.
Wow.
That's
Every gear. Rubber in all 4 gears. No problem.
wow.
I'm sure it would do this too.